Okay, go. Hailey, you want to switch cars? Back up.
I can't back up.
Oh, you took it out?
I can't move on me. It's got mud on me when I drive in there.
Good.
Here.
You just flew through that thing. Look at your truck. Look at the side of the truck.
I know.
We got to get another battery like that.
Yeah, it's cool. I'm starting it.
I had to make the. When we get up to the bridge, there's a big bridge we're going to go under. Oh my God, Hailey, look at the mud on that truck. Yeah. Are you mudding? That's what you call it, mudding. We're mudding. Okay, we're mudding. 4-wheel drive, baby. Hook driver. That's okay. Whew, I don't have to carry it anymore. Okay, go on that one. Go on that one and turn around. Keep going. Keep going. Oh my God. Woohoo!
Yes, I made it up to 1 mile per hour.
The big tracks. So Hailey, tell the camera how it was. How was the 4x4 mudding of the monster truck?
Good!
Yeah!
Yeah, I like it, man. Blackberry Kid was going so slow when she had the red battery.
Did you make it around the corner pretty good? Did you make it around all the corners good? Yeah? How did she go? Did she go good?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's 4x4ing. You can go that way. I'll go the other way. See you, Hailey. Have a nice day. Have a nice trip. Oh, hey, what's up? Hailey, I'm going to get another black battery for you guys.
Huh?
I'll get another black battery.
And then we'll both go fast.
Oh, yeah. Well, you'll go a lot faster than her.